Let us I start economic second chapter, rural development. So we shall study about meaning and importance. Okay. Here India is a land of villagers. 68.84% of the population lives in villages. Okay. One third of this population lives in abject poverty. Our father of nation said, development of the villagers is the true development of India. The development techniques that the Indian government adopted after independence enabled only urban development. Okay. Industries developed in the cities and the cities expanded, right? Here look at the picture, rural industry. Rural industries started getting extinct and the rural people began to migrate the cities. The industry and service sectors which made use of the latest technology expanded very rapidly, The job opportunities in these sectors are available mainly to the urban peoples, right? The cities are enjoying ultra modern lifestyle right now. It's a truth. Poverty has increased among the rural people who depended primarily on agriculture. Under the onslaught of modernization, rural cottage industries are vanishing, unable to withstand the competition. Though 60% of the people work in the primary sector, the contribution from these sectors to the national income is very less and is reducing year by year. Look at the picture. Both are having looking here. Both are so lot of difference. No. So here, due to this, the gap between urban and rural area is increasing gradually, right? If this imbalance has to be got rid of and overall development of the country has to be achieved, there is a direct necessity of the developing the rural areas first. Dear children, let us know about meaning and importance. Okay. The phrase rural development has a broad meaning. Okay. Agriculture. Agriculture, in addition to agriculture based activities, with encompasses extended development of housing, education, health, transport, communication, employment opportunities, farmer, agricultural laborers, scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, etc. To put it briefly, what is rural development? Here answer. Rural development is improvement of the social and economic status of the rural people by proper utilizations of the locally available natural and human resources. Now we will study about importance of rural development. Okay, rural development occupies a very important place in the development of the Indian economy. Look at the picture. How to know the poverty in the village? Here, the majority of the population lives in the villages and is plagued by problems of poverty, unemployment and illiteracy. Here, the majority of the population lives in the villages, right? And is plagued with the problems of poverty, unemployment, literacy, ill health. And another picture is there, lack of basic ammunitions. Okay, so the majority of the population leaves the villages and is plagued by people of poverty, unemployment, illiteracy, ill health, lack of basic ammunitions, etc. Here various basic facilities, education, health and training should be provided to the rural people and their knowledge, skill, and capability to the work should be enhanced. In addition to agriculture, cattle rearing, another one, fishery, okay, silk farming, poultry, a system agriculture wherein labor people or poor people here doing their agriculture can become a profitable and attractive occupation. You know, huh? Though such a measures, the migrations of the rural people to cities can be avoided. Right now, rural people should be provided with essential facilities like electricity, irrigation, transport, communication, market yards. Here, no. The rural people should be provided with essential facilities like electricity, irrigation, transport, communication, market yards, etc. right now, huh? Here, instead of sending the raw agricultural produce to the cities and selling them, they can be processed in the village itself and transformed into ready goods, thereby enhancing their value, right? As a result of this, not only will the villagers get more employment opportunities, but their income will also increase. Small scale and cottage industries can be improved, thereby strengthening the rural economy. Here a system agricultural labor wherein labor, poor people, scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, employment opportunities, urban people, rural people. Right now, look at the picture. The facilities and opportunities that are available to people in urban areas should be available to people in rural areas too. The villagers should be able to participate in this process of development. The benefits of development should be available equally to them too. Think out the answer here, okay? First question, what percent of India population lives in rural India? Answer, 1/3 or 68.84% of Indian population lives in rural India. Here think and answer. Right now, second question. Why did the rural people migrate to cities? Answer. Rural industries started getting extinct and the rural people began to migrate to cities. Okay. Pair up. What did Mahatma Gandhi quotes over development of villages? Answer. The father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi said long ago that development of its village is the true development of India. Another question, what does rural development encompasses? Answer, rural development encompasses development of agriculture and agriculture based activities, development of housing, education, health, hygiene, transport, communication and other essential social and economic amenities, creations of employment opportunities, social welfare, etc. This question you should be write down in your notes, student. Okay. Dear students, in this capsule we studied meaning and importance of life of the rural people, their problems and measures for the development of rural economy. Thank you, students.